The bobbin case is the most important part of the sewing machine, which must always be in perfect condition. The tension of the bobbin thread, the quality and thickness of this thread, the correct loading of the bobbin into the bobbin case, all this affects the quality of the sewing machine's stitching. The surface of the bobbin case should be mirrored, at least clean, without rusty and oxidized areas. The slightest notch on the surface of the bobbin case or chip wall will lead to the appearance of many defects of the line, ranging from looping stitches and stitches to the break of the thread. Regardless of the type of sewing hook, each of them has an adjustment screw. Unscrew it most conveniently with a small flat screwdriver, which is available in the toolkit of any sewing machine. It is necessary to adjust the tension of the lower thread as little as possible. Since the screwdriver slots can break, the slot of the screw and nicks will appear that will cause the thread to break and other defects. Follow a simple rule. When using a thick upper thread, wind the lower thread on the bobbin to a thinner number. If the thread is standard, then you do not need to apply this rule. Holding the bobbin case by the latch, set the bobbin case in the shuttle stroke. Press the bobbin case with your thumb until a specific click is heard.